This is the dark wolf's first winter as leader. Her mate was killed. Now she's in charge. Her pack is young. Dark wolf must teach them how to hunt as a team, or they won't live through winter. The dark wolf has her pack on the move. 30 miles and counting. And still no big meals. The younger wolves still have much to learn. Most days are spent searching for a lead. A wolf's nose is 100 times more sensitive than a human's. The faintest scent tells them who was here and when. The dark wolf picks up a promising trail. Droplets of blood from an injured elk. This could feed her pack for several days. The wolves must work together. Even a wounded elk puts up a fight. They take turns leading the chase, looking for weakness. The elk makes a clever move. The stream buys him some time. The inexperienced youngsters await the dark wolf's move. But the pack has lost